You are going to love the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.